Hello, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can change color of an element in Canva. Let's say we use this guy as an example. In order to change color of this element, just click it. And as you can see on the top toolbar here, all the colors of this element is listed. So let's, for instance, you want to change the color of the sweater. Just press it and then let's choose red. And as you can see, we changed the color of the sweater to red. Let's say we want to change all the black details. Let's just press black. Let's say we want to have blue instead. Looks kind of funny, so let's change it back to black. If you want to change the colors of this element completely, you could do so by clicking Edit Image and then click Duo Note. And as you can see here, there is a lot of possibilities. Let's use this one. That's how you change colors in an element using Canva. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.